Mugasomya mwanchomo ligereria kero charagire Chinsa Isano na Ibere ase Jumapili ya 10 ase umutinyi ogatano. Karibu sana ase Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere elionkomanye ayagendete gukolekana kurwa Chinsa mo ime amone siko yeliro bali agusi ase nchira eyoko ya chutia Wilson Makori nere tokubwaterana nere kurugalia ase nsemo yebimanyererio na inchengo ko yaletera nigonkuru kwa Ruth Kemunto. Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere nigo toguchaka kurwa ase ubugatagatibu mu cy'ubusungu ase abaunchuriria bali bagokorera ubunchuri bwabo ange na matabekani ye roundabout ya capital ime yo mu cy'ubusungu nigo bono besokiri na kurwa okwemurungani kwabo bakwemurunganiria ekiombe ose company ya Kenya Power asekeri batebire bunanigo emete yestima eyo yabegetwe ase Chinsemecho ya irirege kegetambe na gwika yagotire gwika yaberege kugwa aya nigo achire ase amatuka makairire ase transformer yabetege kugwera omungino yomo oyole gokorera obunchili bwa yasayo gwika agasiri bogima bwaye egekore kyambete gokorekana aburi tukore igoro ase bono baburirie ekiombe karigetinendete chinguru cy'umuriro gya KPLC gwika asayo na kurigereria emeteyo egento bono batebire mbaratwara estima asegeka
Tunalia bado matanga jaisha ya mama yetu mwenye alikufa hapa Kisii, CBD hapa. Tunalia. Pia watu wa Kenya Power wanataka kuoa watu ndio wasikie ndio wajue stima imeharibika. Hii miti yenye imeshikilia stima hapa Kisii imechipuka yote haiko. Tunataka wabadilishe yote waweke ile ya concrete. Erere tupeke tupate post 15. Ekiagara mbati nje yo na mami na kutora mabe. Kutora sirio mo na grace yo nyarete kokwa interest meye. Rero tukonya rero post 15. Eri tumene ko Kisii town. Nko kutora town ni kimagatia. Twese toera abanyabiasara bari toko koro. Kuna rero ngendo kiaba. Kati simba ekero mo no grace asira. Niba kutora kona kende na ko yaneri. Lakini naro musabaiga. Asogwanja kwao. Kati sema sana bote tolgo chenji woyomo kuna bono capital hoya stop nene aranda about ya ito ejere town gatigati omoto yo already go bweri ingeto ko bwore kene town ni nene sana intete bile bie kayo bi okorekana yani ngabasi metinga Kenya Power te yoro ese ngona akara munta siride aro mbari go chagwanga lakini tiba swechia karachi aborire bande bloka go chabari kabari gakipi
abantu ba Kenya Power mutu chenjerie mete abanyi nabechiro ngo kutore 20p munarerera ndakauti tware gocha gukwa abanyi nabange sana emete egwetera ndakauti ya capital gaiga ekabwata gochiritu mahate abantu abange tware gocha gokuchi waya cyagwe bintu bito igoremerero yoka twakuri bintu bwati stokanye kera
matanga ndora koraria na bado ka asiri yawa yande wale kanya sawo rigoro ogotore natuna mwanya bantu ina botoro ko yoka muna ajali jetingo kana na ina ajali kai ajali ina kinga kole ne agya ajali yego gutangwa bago wanjalende bato chenjire meteyo ora bana ba mimbere are na chire gange jiri Jumamosi eria ndo asitio mongina obo biashara estima ya amoto yabo ya watupi ya motore tinga tema como konya na bisana sana ebijana byana eje tikonyare kana akanyara gawe siyo bimabwaye familia rinja yana Kenya Power irajikoboria erateruga muna egari ya nyagote kokoboriga emete ya Kenya Power kere ya gwatire tari bobe ingi motari gachekere se nje ngagiye kere twasema goto gotere emete igoro
otigana na yo mwancho muligereria na kugenda asorobotirone ekiama gya Ford Kenya nigo gyatebire nigo geteneine imara na nigo kirachikurwanirira ebirogo ase obochori buri bosyo ukwana litkuria lero nigo boigo babiri bagoteba buna nigo bagenderete kwenekya ngutinya bale obokoreri ase kiamekyo elikweneki buna mbachi kwenyorera mabaga ase birogo uchakira ekerugo kyobokonye bwoborai bwense weika obo MCA.
We are here today for grassroots expression. Last week we engaged the party leader through a mobile communication. Then we are so much grateful to receive our deputy party leader, Madam Abuto, who is here with us today to confirm the erection of the county levels which would propel to fill the candidates. Our big agenda is to amua seat in 2027. That is starting from the deputy president downward. On list that we are not going to fill on the presidency because we are in Kenya Kwanza government to stay. We are going to fill the governors, women rep office, MPs, MCAs, and all the categories. So we are here today to confirm the structures of the chairman, vice chairman, secretary, organizing secretaries, and also we have our chairman from all the 9 constituencies in Kisii County. This activity is taking the whole of Kenya. That His Excellency the Speaker of the National Assembly through Madam Abudo, they have dispatched all the NEC officials across Kenya to do this exercise.
Tungependa kusihi viongozi wetu wa kisiasa kusukuma sana na hata kutusaidia tuweze kupata ile capitation ambayo inahitajika katika shule zetu, kwa sababu utapata ule mgao ambao ulistahili kutumwa muhula wa kwanza ulitumwa tu kiasi fulani, labda 50%. Tamu ya pili imeanza, pia ni kiasi tu kidogo ambacho kimetumwa, na unajua labda wazazi wanavutwa sana hapa na pale kwa sababu ya nyakati ngumu za kiuchumi. Kwa hivyo tungependa ile subsidized education iweze kutimia kwa msaada wa viongozi wetu wa kisiasa,
na labda nguvu za umeme na hali ya usafiri kijumla inalainishwa, ili kwamba mwalimu anapotumwa hapa aweze kuwa na ile moyo wa kuja na kufanya kazi. Na licha ya hizo changamoto, tumeweza kuona ya kwamba tukituma walimu hapa, kuna wale ambao wanakubali wanakuja, na wale ambao labda hawana moyo vile, tunawahimiza, na wanapoelewa manufaa ya kwenda mahali na kusaidia mwanafunzi, unapata kwamba wamejituma. Kwa hivyo shule kama hiyo tungali na changamoto moja mbili, kwa sababu tangu grade 10 ilipoingia, kuna maeneo fulani ambayo hayajapata proper subject combination ya walimu.
Navoigo mwanchumu ligereria ekarto gusuka gwika ase ya Kisumu eskuru y'abamura ya Maseno nigo egendrete guchengira emyaka emyeyemu ne 20 ase bono umuyego yu abarai ababete bagwikirana egati y'abamura y'bensi ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto, waziri w'ekisemi umusike Julius Migoso gamba amo n'abarai bande abange gukwanekerekyo umwaziri w'ekisemi nigo abereka gutoya eskuru yu nagoteba nigo yaberekyorokererie kia nabwo ko yetoya ase ngencho y'umukya kugendera koleta amachibwa maya asaborokirwa na kuburia chiskuru chinde chinyariko ba chikwega eskuru eyo eriko ene kibuna kugendera chireko lebya asa matemu.
On academic excellency, Maseno School has instilled timeless values that are the bedrock of any successful society. That is discipline, integrity, teamwork, resilience, and a deep sense of patriotism. That is no small achievement that in its entire 120 years history, Maseno School has never recorded a single strike. In 120 years, no single strike. That record is a powerful testimony of the culture of mutual respect, order, and shared purpose that defines this institution. As we celebrate this milestone, we also look into the future. The government of Kenya, under your leadership, Your Excellency, remains committed to transforming our education sector so that every learner, regardless of background, receives quality, relevant, and market-driven education. Your Excellency, distinguished guests, as a Cabinet Secretary for Education, I reaffirm the government's full support for institutions such as Maseno School that have consistently delivered excellence and character.
Na boigo asomoyego yu mraibense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto ni gaireteri bagelyo na gotogia omurobelyo o competence based education uyu atebire obereko gokonya boroki wakorwa chinsemo au na boigo koyotogia na goteba nigo otabwate gwancheria konde gwansi asikeri nigo kwena na amaigeri na boiga masoma maya guchesa boroki wa asenchira irenkerano.
Our goal is to nurture every learner according to their unique talents, abilities, creativity, and aspirations, so that no child is confined by a one-size-fits-all model of education. We are building an education system that empowers young people to discover their true potential early and pursue career pathways that fully harness their gifts, whether in science, in technology, in engineering, mathematics, the arts, sports, entrepreneurship, agriculture, or other technical fields. In an increasingly competitive and innovation-driven world, Kenya's future prosperity will depend on our ability to produce not only academics, but also problem solvers, innovators, creators, researchers, and ethical leaders capable of transforming our nation and positioning Kenya and Africa at the forefront of global progress. I say this against the background that from today, Kenya will be hosting the French Africa Summit, named Africa Forward. From tomorrow and the next 2 days, 30 heads of state from Africa and elsewhere will be in our country.
Nara yokurwa Ekeonga Chinsa Isano nebiro mwanchu murigeria nande chikuraga Chinsa 10 ningirane inkoletera yande asenchira yobwengi genda gutwara uburigereri borobya ime ya Getembe TV nchani gonkuru kwa Ruth Kemunto twabwatira neti mwingima kweneke kwa yanyorire asenchira yobwengi.